So basic terms and definitions. First thing. Okay, in this basic terms and definitions, first thing, if radius is equals to 0, for a circle, if radius is equals to 0, that circle is mentioned as point circle. Okay, just imagine, if radius is equals to 0, what is the circle equation? So usually we know that circle is collection of points which are equidistant from a fixed point. If this fixed point is center O and every point on this circle is at a distance of r units from the center, is it right? Now here we are mentioning this radius itself is 0. Since radius is 0, then all these points on the circle won't appear. Okay, there are no points on the circle circumference. All these points are at center itself, and that's why if radius is equals to 0, there is simply one point, and that point is also treated as a circle whose radius is 0. Okay, that in another way, every point is treated as a circle, and that is a point circle. Okay, so this point is a point circle of radius 0. Suppose in coordinate system, if I have somewhere a point here whose coordinates are 2, 1. Okay, I will treat this point 2, 1 also as a point circle. And what is its equation? Okay, so equation of point circle having center 2, 1 is, okay, what is my question? Equation of point circle having center 2, 1. Having center 2, 1, radius is 0 since I mentioned it as a point circle. So then its equation is, since center is 2, 1, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. This is the equation of point circle if center is 2, 1, since radius is 0. Okay, so this is the first one, point circle. If the radius is 0, then it is considered as point circle. Is it clear? I am going to clear this. Right. Everybody just copy this.